back to another video. Today we're gonna be testing the Action 4 this time. So you guys ready?
Yeah, and the Action 4 has been out over a year and it's still good for 2025 as an action camera, right?
I think it'll be good for every year.
Yeah, I think so, until maybe they get the probably the Action 6 Pro or something. The 5 Pro is really good too. Nothing bad to say about that, but
you have to get racing.
Yeah. Hey, well, you know what we should have brought? We should have put it right here, and then you guys can see all that.
Could we still?
Oh, you know what? I wonder if it. Let's pause. Well, let's check it out. We're gonna take this out really quick.
Let's see.
Let's see if it magnetizes. Nope.
Ah.
Sorry, guys. No magnet. So we have to get a handle there, huh?
Yeah.
So it's not gonna work there.
You should make it where it comes with the handles, just in case you wanna put it on there.
Yeah.
Like the whole scooter
Well,
itself.
we have those little grippy things we can put on there, and that probably would have worked.
Yeah. So let's just next time let's remember.
Yeah, and actually I'm just hand holding this, right?
Yeah.
So that's pretty good. That's the nice thing.
So
These action cameras, you can just hand hold them, and then
hey, no passing the starting line.
No passing.
I see you
All right.
One. Hey.
Yeah. All right.
1, 2.
Ah. All right, we're ready.
1, 2, 3, go. Roman, kind of starts.
Rock Steady Plus. So here we go. No microphone, no wind reduction, no nothing, right?
Yeah, this is gonna be like a old school video.
Oh yeah, that's right. Like an old school video. We actually can grade it to look like an old studio.
Yeah.
Right?
Like we're the best channel ever. Get up here!
Woo-hoo. All right, everybody. We're rock and roll.
Yeah?
No cars coming. Nope. Keep going. Let's cross the street. Cross the street.
I'm coming.
Let's
Not
go.
like last time when I didn't hear you. Remember that?
Yeah. I'm losing your backpack. It was falling down. That's pretty good.
Try not to stop.
Yeah. Try not to. So yeah, that's good. Some more running. Get some more running in here. See if it works good.
So far it's working good.
Yeah.
Alright, let's continue.
Let's go. Hold on. Let's take a little water break. But it's a nice cool day. It's probably like 70 degrees, huh?
Mm.
Nice.
A little bit hot, kind of. Kind of.
A little hot.
Yeah.
Is it a little hot?
Like in the warmish.
Warmish kind of weather.
Yeah. So you ready to continue? 1,
I think so.
2, 3.
Uh,
Your head start going slow and then to fast.
okay.
Like that.
All right.
You win.
All right. See who's winning.
Neck and neck.
Neck and neck. All right. See who's gonna win.
I think I got
You guys be the judge. Whoa, Roman, I think you beat me.
Yeah.
Oh man, I think you beat me again.
Yeah, look at
What's up with that?
I don't know.
Huh?
I can't tell you my secret.
You can't tell me a secret. All right.
So don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Yeah. See you later. Peace.
Peace.